Look, it's winter, the kids have school and sport and time's tight, but a day trip like this still gives you a dose of the outdoors without the commitment of camping. We're down here for a bit of fishing, some fresh air and a proper hot feed. Today I'm cooking Creamy Gochujang Gnocchi with Speck Kale. One pan done in under 20 minutes and perfect for winter beach missions just like this. Today I'm cooking on the Dune 4-wheel drive single burner stove. This little stove is solid, it's compact and stable, and the flame control means I can simmer sauces without scorching them, even in a bit of wind like we had today. Start by chopping everything up so it's ready to go. Speck, onion, garlic and kale. That way you can just throw it in as you go and keep the cook flowing. To start cooking, turn on our stove and we want to add about a medium heat. Start with our speck. You want it golden and crispy. Speck is cured so you don't need to stress about chilling it on short trips like this. In go the onion and garlic, give it a couple of minutes until it softens and smells good. In goes our gochujang, a couple of tablespoons of that. If you're not into spicy, you can swap it out for a tablespoon of white miso paste and a teaspoon of tomato paste. Still creamy and umami rich without the heat. Then in goes our kale, our chicken stock, our cream and our gnocchi. All in one pan, no boiling, no draining, just let it all come together. Give everything a good stir, then we're going to add in some Parmesan cheese and we're going to lower the temperature on our stove, put the lid on and let it simmer away to soften the gnocchi for about 7 to 8 minutes. To finish, add in some extra Parmesan cheese, a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like it spicy, and that's it, you're all done. Creamy gochujang gnocchi with speck and kale, spicy, creamy, full of flavour and done with one stove, one pan and zero stress. You don't need a full camping trip to make it count. A couple of hours, a bit of coastline and a hot feed like this, that's a win in winter. Thanks for watching, save this recipe for your next mission, catch you out there.